Hello my lovelies. Well, here's another Ian coin. This is a Mexicanos coin. What a stunning looking thing it is as well, eh? Eagle grabbing a snake. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Now I've checked the value of these and there's not a lot in it. You know, you're talking about €5 or €6. So I'll happily make a ring out of it. I'm going to make a ring out of all of them, but I check. I dare say he has as well. Right, it's a biggish coin, so I'm going to use a biggish punch. My apartment stinks of gas now. I just changed my gas bottle. Right, half-inch punch. Let's go over to the one and only, sexy as ever, Lady in Blue, Big Bertha. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to show me a bit of support, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video you're watching. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I do something silly. Right. I hope this one doesn't split. The other copper one I did split. And I was most annoyed because I loved it, like I love this one. Right, let's show a bit of love. Just want to clean up that inside edge. You have to excuse my hands. I've been making I've been trying some different things with dichroic glass and coins today as well, so my hands look a bit rough. They're not looking gorgeous and sexy as they usually do. Right. So this flame should be a lot better now. Oh yeah. You can travel to the moon on this power. Right. Let's not go crazy with the heat. What we've got here. Dried off a bit. Too small. That one fits. So what we're going to do, where are we going? Yeah, that's nice. But that's nicer. That's just a bit of polish. Yeah, this is going to go sunny side up on the ring. So this goes face down in my little baby here. You got any questions or requests, or I had a guy contact me by email a couple of days ago if I make wedding bands. Yeah, I do. In fact, there's a video, I don't know, a few months back, where this couple asked me to make their wedding bands, which I did, and they loved them. They were from India. Lovely couple. They sent me these 2 rupee coins, and I made their wedding bands. You can check it out. Where is Sandy? There he is. You just want to clean up this edge. This is what happened the other day. Everything went great until it went on spike, and then it split. I don't want this to happen again. So here we go. It's looking a bit thin there. Let's go a bit more. I don't know what it is with the coppery bronzy coins. There's something about them. Right, let's go over to Mr. Wonderful himself. and see what we can do with this one. Nice and easy. I think I might have gone too crazy with it, you know. It then went a bit sad. I'm thinking maybe because, well, this isn't as old. The other one was 1800s, so so far so good. Please don't break. But this even happens to silver coins, so you're looking for this top bit to touch that. So I've got to go a bit more. You see, it's got a bow in it. You want to get rid of the bow. Got any questions? Yeah, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a link in the description below. Yeah, take you straight there. Well, so far, so good. I need white. And it doesn't look like it's splitting, so I think I'll go a little touch more. There's a little bit of a bow in it. Don't push your luck, boy. Don't be a silly boy. Don't push it too far. Ooh. Now that is sexy. And that's something else. There's a little bit of a lip, so we want to cut that out. Right, now do I show it a bit more love with Bernie? Maybe not. Let's see what happens. Let's go to the bottom end of the spike. These are reduction dice. No. Let's give it a bit of the old lube. Keep it clean, Paul. Keep it clean. Right. I think I'll show it a bit more love. That should do. Let's dry it off. And we'll pop down bottom end of spike again. Let's see what we got. There's a little bit left on there. Oh la la. It went a bit too far, so I can go the other way round. And that will take care of that. See the walls are nice and straight. No lip. Oh, oh, oh. So let's get out the one and only Kate Bush. Not much to say really, is there? Except absolutely beautiful. Wow. You got detail on the inside, thanks to the old kitchen roll. Right, let's take out Kate. She's looking a bit sad now. Looks like she's seen a ghost. And a bit of polish, wherever the polish has gone. There it is, right in front of me. Right, let's give it a go, see what we've got. Ooh. Suits you, sir. Right. Oh, baby. Yes, sir, that's my baby now. Yeah. Right, slightly cleaner cloth. Right, how's it looking? I think it's looking rather gorgeous. Wow. That's why I used a kitchen roll. Got the detail in there. If it bloody focuses. Bloody thing. There you go. What size we got? And you always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but it's the same thing. Right. Looks like gold, doesn't it? Looks like rose gold. 11 and a quarter, or just over 11 and a quarter. But I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. There you go, folks. One stunning Mexicanos ring, and it fits that finger perfectly. This will be in my shop in a few days if you're looking for one. Right, thanks a lot, ladies and gents. Hope you're having a great day, a safe day, a happy day. So bye bye.